Here's the Monoprice 25 watts per channel tube amplifier. My understanding is the tubes are preamp section only. Sure does look nice. Does it work? I'm having problems with noise on this thing. It's been on for a couple of days now, just to see if it helps.
Your phone is connected.
You hear that screeching noise. That's what I'm getting. Like digital noise coming through from the phone, from the pairing, from something. I don't know. Also, I don't know if you can hear the crackling noises. Seems to be coming from the left channel only. I've already switched around these tubes and it didn't make a difference. Also, since adjusting the volume doesn't seem to change the sound of the crackling, I'm guessing it's the preamp stage. There's the noise again. So let's see if I put on some music.
I was taught a month ago. Survive by the time.
Crackling noises continue. Again, volume control does nothing for those crackling noises. If I switch it to aux instead, I still get the crackling noises. Trying to like wiggle the tubes, get them to seat. Of course they're hot, so I'm trying not to touch them too much. No difference, still crackling noise here. Anybody has an idea of the fix, let me know.